This summer, we've been asking our fans, that's you wonderful people, where we should go next winter.
And today, we have those results to share with you. First, we hope you've been enjoying your summer and getting out there to explore a little. We've been having some fun close to home. Who would have thought snorkeling could be a thing in our local river? We haven't been camping yet this season, but we have been working on our trailer. We had the leaf springs replaced, a tire replaced. I've resealed our seals, patched up the slide, and of course, we've done a solid deep clean.
We've also been hard at work in our garden developing a space to grow some of our own food. Last year we built this retaining wall, and now this year we've put in these beautiful raised beds, planted some berry bushes, and built them a trellis, and we put in some more flowers. Now we're realizing that that's still not enough room for all the food we want to be able to grow. But just check out this crazy squash plant! They're all around me, and they've all got huge fruits on them. It's so cool.
And I've been spending a lot of time on the computer, continuing work for a VR education startup, plus a new project that combines AI and education. I won't go into too many details here because I'm told once I get started talking about AI, apparently I can go on for hours.
And I've been working at the local bakery again this summer, where I've been dipping and filling donuts, decorating cakes, and taste testing to my heart's content. These are just a few of the things we do when we're not traveling.
Okay, so the poll we sent out had several choices for destinations. We were having trouble deciding where to go this winter, so we asked you to help us choose. After all, we want to make sure we're creating videos of places you actually want to see and maybe even visit yourself.
On the list was Texas, Baja again, South Africa, Hawaii, and for those with other ideas, we made an other option.
You might be wondering how we came up with these options in the first place. They couldn't be any more different from one another if we tried. Basically, they're all places that we have some sort of connection to. We got engaged in Hawaii, have family in Texas, absolutely loved our time in Baja last winter, and it's been Mel's dream to visit Africa ever since she was a child.
If this is the first you're hearing about our poll, then you, my friend, need to join our weekly email blast. This is where our top fans get sneak peeks into what's coming next. We share extra photos, polls, and our favorite comments from the week. It's also your opportunity to get our videos straight to your inbox.
So be sure to head over to our website and sign up for our Insider's email.
Get the email. With all these great potential places to visit, you might be wondering if this means that we got a new rig. The short answer is no. The long answer is we truly want a van and thought we would be heading out this winter with a new look, but sadly, we haven't been able to find one that fits our needs and budget yet.
Our dream van would be a pre-built, about 3 to 4 years old, with a wet bath, a forward-facing seat with a table, and priced at $100K Canadian or less. If you have any leads, be sure to send them our way. In the meantime, we're postponing our purchase. I don't know, maybe we're searching for an elusive unicorn van. What do you think?
So, with all of this, our email poll, destination options, and not getting a van yet, let's share the results.
I have to say the results were very, very close. At one point, everything was split pretty much evenly, but now we have a clear winner.
Some of the other suggestions we received are really great too. Some folks want us to go to Alaska, Australia, and mainland Mexico. In fact, the mainland Mexico suggestions got very specific, even naming specific states. But without further ado, drum roll please. Coming in last with 7% was a Baja redo.
In fourth place at 16% was Hawaii.
In third, with 19% of the votes, was somewhere else.
Number 2 was South Africa with 26%, leaving Texas, the winning destination with 32% of the votes.
That doesn't mean we're going to forget about all the other places, but we've locked in Texas for this winter. Thanks again for everyone's help and suggestions.
So, now we have lots of planning ahead of us. It's a huge state, and there's so much to explore. We'd love to hear from you about things to see and do there, places you might suggest we visit. We'll try and add as many of those to our list as possible.
Also, if you're heading that way yourselves, please get in touch and maybe we can meet up with you.
Everything is bigger in Texas, so let's go big or go home. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Coming in at...
Oh, wait.
It's me.
All right, let's start at the drum roll.
Okay.
Go.
Why isn't it working?
No, wait.
For all the food we want to be able to go. Want to grow.
So let's get big. No.
We probably will with all the food.
To share with you. Oh crap, I was holding this. Okay.
Let's get big. Make sure you don't miss the next video by liking, subscribing, and turning on notifications.
Oh, and don't forget to check out our website and sign up for our weekly email blast.
Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.